Hey guys, Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back on my channel. As you can tell, got a Marui Big Bear here, done in a kind of a little more fun paint scheme. This is one of my old ones that I did years ago. I never did a video on it. I actually kind of forgot about this one. I did a comic book character, Luke Cage style graphics on it. A friend of mine, he lost out on a bid to get a Big Bear. And I told him, I said, oh, well, I'll tell you what, I will sell you this one. So he purchased it from me, and we're just going to give it a run, shakedown. Uses a typical 480 RS motor in it by Mabushi, and also has some bearings in it. And that's pretty much it. I'm running a 2S battery pack, 7.4 volt LiPo, a little small cell pack. And that's just, that should be just fine for this little guy to give it a sayonara. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and give her a run. So as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of these Big Bears. I have a huge passion for them because they're one of my first RC cars I ever got as a kid. So we're going to try to do a wheelie. On these 481s, it's kind of tough. They don't have the torque like the 542, so it's a lot easier to get the 541s to wheelie naturally. So let's see if I can at least get the front up. So the wheel did come off the ground, so we did get the front wheel off. And sometimes you're lucky with enough traction, you can do it. And I don't want to do a cheat and back up and then do the wheelie, because yeah, you could do it that way. Watch. So it'll do it like that. To me, that's a little bit of a cheat, but it's still fun. It's still great. I want to scratch this guy's bumper too much. It's not my truck anymore. And these are super fun cars. They're not very expensive. I love them. I will always love these things. This one's around 17 miles an hour. You can usually get about 18 with the 541. that pretty much does it for this bad boy. I'm definitely going to miss it. The home it's going to is going to be well deserved. My friend loves these things as much as I do, and he's going to give it a little more attention. It needs like window repaired and body mount time and a couple things like lights and stuff like that. I just don't have time. I got too many other projects going on and I'll never get to it, and he really wanted this one, so gotta miss you, pal. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me on memory lane, and please hit a like. I would love it for you to subscribe. Not going to want to miss what's coming up, that's for sure. A lot of cool stuff. Bye, guys.